I'm Danielle, the author and illustrator of Mischief, a pancake surprise. And on the Mischief channel, I teach you about our amazing world through art, science, and craft projects. Today we're going to make cloud slime. Here's what you need: a measuring cup, contact solution, shaving cream, baking soda, a spoon, glue, measuring spoons, and a bowl. Let's make some cloud slime. For the first step, we'll put in 2 cups of shaving cream. Now we'll put it into the bowl, 1 cup. So it's a lot of fun trying to get it off the spoon. Cup number 2. Okay, scoop it into the bowl. Yay, we have 2 scoops of shaving cream. Now we'll add 1 cup of glue. Pour your glue into the bowl. Add 2½ cups of baking soda. You will need 2 boxes of baking soda. Add 3 tablespoons of contact solution. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, it's about to get crazy. Let's stir our slime together. Oh, look, it's getting cloudy. So pretty. Oh, what a cool texture. Looks like we have our slime. It's so fluffy. All right, let's get nice fingers in there and see what the slime feels like. Ooh, it's so soft. You will love playing with it. It's so neat and fluffy. What's fun about this slime is it's lighter and fluffier than other slime, which makes it seem like a cloud. All right, so now that you have your cloud slime all made, you can make a sun or a rainbow out of construction paper like I did. It will look really neat. I had so much fun making cloud slime today with you. If you had fun too, like the video below, share it with a friend, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please check out my book, Mischief, a pancake surprise. In the book, the moose claims he's the best chef in Alaska. But is that simply ridiculous? Buy the book to find out.